Hello. Welcome to my channel. This is Trulites Beauty. Stay tuned for how I got this look. Alright, so the items you'll need, first of all, is TruZone Cream Peroxide. I used 40 volume developer. The powder bleach to go along with that. You'd also need a bit of foil to wrap up the hair. Make sure you wear those gloves because you don't want bleach all over your hands. You need something to also mix it up with. Something to apply the bleach to the hair. Don't forget your combs, your clips, and also whatever you're going to mix your peroxide and bleach in. Okay, so you can go ahead and mix up your bleach and peroxide. I use a few scoops. Just mix it based on, how long or how thick your wig or bundles are. Okay, so I went ahead and separated the hair into sections just to make it easier to apply the bleach to the hair. It does get a bit messy, so it's better to separate the hair and make sure it's clipped up out of your way so you can apply easily and move on to the next section once done with the previous section. Okay, so go ahead and apply the mixture onto the hair. What I need you to do is make sure you're applying it thoroughly. Slap it on and be generous with the amount you're applying on, because what we don't want to end up with is patches all over the hair. We don't want some areas to be lightened and some areas to be dark. So make sure you have a big large container that you can pour hot boiling water in. I used 1 full bottle of rich amber Adore. I also used a full bottle of the dark brown Adore, and then I used half of the Mahogany. So you need to pour that into the water, and then make sure you mix it well. We don't want any particles of dye floating about, because that will leave splotches onto your hair. Once you've fully mixed it up, make sure you get a bit of tissue, dip it in and test whether it's at the shade you'd like it to be. Protect that lace, girls. You've got to be, spray that over and it should keep your lace protected. Once you're all set, go ahead and dip it in. Dip, dip, dip. Just be careful of your lace. Make sure you're covering every area of the hair. As you can see, I'm opening up the hair to make sure that the water's, you know, fully getting into the bits that it probably isn't reaching into, because I don't want to fully dip the whole wig into the water. Look at that. Look at that. What? Doesn't that look beautiful? I know it's still wet, but like, come on. Come on. Once it's fully dry, you can go ahead and style. So I'm just applying mousse, blow drying the top so it can lay flat. I didn't want to really get out the hot comb, and then just go through and straighten the hair. So the whole method with straightening isn't anything special. Just apply your heat protectant, chase the hair with the comb and run the straighteners through, and make sure that you're running it through until you get it to your desired straightness. So what I didn't get to actually catch on camera is me basically cutting the hair. After straightening the hair, I went in with clippers and gave it a bit of a cut. I wanted more of a bob look, so I bumped the ends with the straighteners and that was it. So this is the end result, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also let me know what videos you'd like to see from me in the future.